It's a perfect place to network with suppliers, prospective customers, existing customers.
Yeah, today has been a very busy day. Yeah, it has been really good footfall and we're pretty satisfied.
Response is good. We have had very good customers of ours come to the stall. So I would say that we are pretty happy with how things are going with this expo.
CWE helps us giving us a plethora of customers which are very good. So that's why we keep participating in CWE.
This exhibition highlight so far has been big footfall. Like we can see a lot of people have participations from in nearby industries and also big international players. We can see a lot of China's pavilion and other pavilions.
This is one of the most dynamic exhibitions that I have seen.
It's a good platform for cutting and welding suppliers to get interacted with all the customer and future business partners.
This is a very big platform. The suppliers are here, the industries are here, consumer is here, dealers are here. So it's the best platform to interact with each other.
Most advantage of this exhibition is to have a collaboration with all of the dealer network here.
Very good. It's one line. It's very good.
It's the best platform to promote your brand, or you can say for market penetration, this is the best platform. I will say it's like a mini Canton.
This is the most successful exhibition till this day.
People are on single platform, they are getting multiple of range, variety to see. It's one of the small Canton fair, Indian Canton fair.